Jatend Operation Linda Jamii Fred Ogolla oseyo paro mar chik mar omenda ma higa mar 2024-2025. Ogolla dwaro mondo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto olok tanga e chenro mare mar manyo osuru, kowacho ni jopiny ahinya to mago mayuto margi nitiere piny ema sani hinyore. Ogolla osiemo wang' jotelo ma pacho ka ahinya to mago moyiero Ramogi kuom koso dewo jo-Kenya makoro sani guonyore gi pado.
Percentage of paved roads in the US is 73%. India, it is 67%. China is 100% paved roads in China. Brazil is 11%. Kenya is 10%. So how can we pay the same percent of taxes as America, yet American roads are 73% paved? Kenya is 10% paved. And I also counted. I have consulted for Kenya. I know that between Busia and Mombasa, there are 125,000 potholes. When the president was driving the best vehicles in the US, let him tell me whether he saw any pothole in America. So if there are potholes in America, and there are no potholes in America, and there are potholes in Kenya, how can we pay taxes the same way as a country with no potholes?
Governor ma County ma Bomet Hilary Barchok okwayo jotije ma County ma Bomet mondo me obed gi horuok kaloro ni deko osebede chenro mar chiwo sara